As of upgrade 8, we may include animations, and more specifically, Lottie, a library created by Airbnb that provides a JSON API to include the animations in mobile apps. With those JSON files, we can include animations in the KB. There are several animation repositories from which we may download in JSON format. We must include them in the KB and create classes for each of them. In the example, which we saw in the application to guess the songs, we are using an animation to customize the little circle that appears by default every time that a page or grid is being loaded. How is this implemented? Here we see the panel's form that loads the screen with the current round of the game. If we take a look at the properties of the layout's main table, we will see that we have associated the form class with a form game class that we created in the theme, for which, in turn, we've configured the loading animation class property with the value of an animation class that we also created. We defined that animation called animation loader of the Lottie type, and we had to indicate the name of the animation's JSON file that we previously inserted in the KB. Next, we will see the steps presented in a more orderly manner. So, how do we add an animation to the KB? First, we add the JSON files as file objects in the KB. Next, we create animation classes in the theme. For each animation class, we point to the file we uploaded in the previous step. And then we can use it everywhere, in every theme class where an animation is expected. For example, we can use it in the loading animation class property for form, grid, or matrix classes. But we can also use it with the new animation view control. This control is inserted into the layout and has these 4 methods. In the first one, we set up the class of the animation type that will be loaded in the control, and if we want it played in a loop or not. Set progress enables us to indicate a number between 0 and 100 from where the animation will start. All the others are obvious. Here's an example. In the client start event that runs at the beginning of this panel, we set the animation. It'll be the one configured in this class of the theme, in a loop. And then we select play.